is Brandon. We're taking the GS 1250 and the multistrada V4S on a 2-day ride, an overnight ride.
Donkey's getting rather amorous with the multistrada. Hi.
There we go. Welcome to Laughlin, Nevada.
And my Cialis.
Look, this is what the man's packing for his trip. He's got one a day. He's got...
They have...
Oh, what is that?
He's
got Dayquil.
Let's see.
I thought we were going on a motorcycle ride, not to the hospital.
IV in the engines, though. I mean, very different. You've got a boxer engine with a lot of torque, and then you've got the V4, which kind of emphasizes horsepower more.